boy, that's funny. Did you went over your toes again? Max in the boxy bed. Whoa, you better move your toes. Kitty, is that funny? Trying to get in the box. Your butt is just. He's trying to get in there. You're too big. Your butt's too big. I don't even know. I think Max is like 15 pounds. Oh wow, wow. Check it out. It's coming out now. Nice to kitty, very nice to kitty. Max is in a boxy bed. Now, hey, don't pull his hair. Very nice to kitty. Very nice. He wants to go. He wants to chill in there. Where are you climbing? Get down. Now. Is that funny? Nice to kitty. Hey, nice to kitty. Let's turn back on. Spencer. Okay, it's going again. Oh wow. How did this big kitty fit in this little box? Do you know how? Oh, you found a bucket. Wow. You found a bucket. What's Kitty doing? He's like stuck. Don't touch the kitty. Gonna get you. Hey, don't hurt the kitty. Wow. It's funny, huh? Okay, stuck on this one. Big load. Here comes big load of kitty. Bring the sock over here. Wow. I think Max likes this. your toes today. Don't touch the kitty. Kitty's resting. What's he doing? What's Kitty doing? Max, what you doing? Cat! What is that? Is that a cat? Is that a cat? Is that enough?
Dare dei colpetti al paraurti di Roomba per eliminare vestiti.
You ready? Are you done? Max just wants to change a pose. I think you're done. We are done. Mommy's done. Mom needs to make you some breakfast, lunch, or dinner or something. What's up, kitty? Are you done? I think Max is gonna chill here. Okay, we're done. 7 minutes of fun. Say bye-bye, kitty, kitty. Bye-bye, kitty, kitty. I'm gonna leave you alone now. Okay, sorry that I bothered you. Bye-bye. Blow kisses. Is he coming out? Nope. Let's turn around. Spencer wants to turn it back on.